Years ago, when I began working at this company, I started out in sales. I would meet with people at gun shops and ranges and explain what the Legal Defense for Self-Defense program does for people and why it's so important to have as part of a self-defense plan. It's just like owning a gun. You need the ammo and the training to use it. Our program was a new idea back when our founding attorney started the company, and it's a new idea for many today. That's why we want you to know what it is, how it works, and why you need it, especially if you ever have to defend yourself, your family, or your community.
While I'm sure you know what an attorney is, you've probably never heard of a Legal Defense for Self-Defense program. So let's explain what it is and the 3 things it provides to our members. First, this program is all about making sure you understand the gun laws in your state so that you can be a law-abiding gun owner and not accidentally put your everyday freedoms at risk, especially if you ever have to lawfully defend yourself. While it all begins with the Second Amendment, the many laws, limitations, and restrictions of when you can shoot must be thoroughly understood before you ever face a threat from a criminal. That's why we've assembled a network of state-based independent program attorneys our members can rely upon for information and guidance on the law. Members have direct access to attorneys, our member-exclusive programming and events, our 2A Times news publication, our growing series of armed and educated gun law books, and through daily news posted on social media, not to mention via our online member portal. Providing relevant information and knowledge on self-defense and gun law is fundamental to our business and part of our mission of preserving freedom for good. Most law-abiding gun owners might never think they'd need an attorney, specifically a criminal defense attorney. After all, the very nature of being law-abiding means that you follow the law. Yet in the overwhelming majority of self-defense cases, especially those involving guns, the good guy can easily be mistaken for the aggressor. An investigation of all parties involved in the incident begins, and it could last a long time, perhaps weeks, months, even years. The case being made for or against you begins the minute the incident happens. Everything you do or say matters. That's where our members benefit the most, by having direct and immediate access to an attorney at the time of the incident through our Attorney Response 365 hotline. As a member, you receive an exclusive hotline number to call, and an attorney will respond to help you in this most critical time, the moment you are involved in a self-defense incident. For only $10.95 per month, this is truly an incredible benefit. Every minute of every day, an attorney will answer the call, no matter if it's the 4th of July or 3 a.m. on Christmas morning. Having direct, immediate access to an attorney after a self-defense crisis is critical. Undoubtedly, this is one of the worst days of your life as your thoughts are racing through your head while the police arrive at the scene and you're wondering what to do next. With Attorney Response 365, you're not alone, and an independent program attorney will counsel you through the situation, while establishing that oh-so-critical attorney-client privilege, which is best formed by talking directly to an attorney, not a call center representative or answering service. Remember, our company was created by attorneys, so they made sure attorney-client privileged communication begins the second you call our emergency hotline. Just imagine if you had to find and hire an attorney at the time of the incident, with sirens flashing and law enforcement asking questions. And then, once hired, imagine paying thousands, tens of thousands, or hundreds of thousands of dollars for your representation. And it's likely this attorney will not be answering the call on the 4th of July at 3 a.m. on Christmas morning, or any time after business hours. More than likely, you'll reach an answering service or office voicemail, meaning you won't get the help you need at the most critical time that you need it. Without the Legal Defense for Self-Defense program, you may save your life only to have to spend a small fortune to restore your good name and freedoms. From the moment you call our Attorney Response 365 hotline, we will be there for you through the law enforcement investigation, grand jury, criminal trial, appeals, and even civil defense if you are sued. No matter where your case goes or how long it takes, you will have an independent program attorney who will be there for you with no attorney's fees beyond your membership fee. That's right, there are no hourly rates or retainers, and unlike some programs, you won't have to front the money for a lawyer and hope to get reimbursed later. Our process of handling your case from start to finish is called Freedom Protection for good reason. Protecting freedom is our goal for each and every member who has had to lawfully defend themselves, their family, or even their community. You can count on the most trusted name providing the most comprehensive and affordable program. That's the U.S. LawShield Promise.
The comprehensive nature of our program is intentional. Our founding attorneys wanted to ensure the program would educate and inform our members on state-specific self-defense laws and protect and defend our members to the end. We're always working with the heroes among us, restoring their good names and freedoms without causing them or their families stress of finding an attorney, and without financial burden that normally comes with hiring an attorney. Isn't it time you joined us and became a part of US LawShield? Coverage begins immediately. Learn more at uslawshield.com or talk to one of our representatives.